Past perfect progressive tense. There are 12 group tenses in the English language. These are the simple present, simple past, simple future, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present progressive, past progressive, future progressive, present perfect progressive, past perfect progressive, and future perfect progressive. This lesson will talk about past perfect progressive. Past perfect progressive is also known as past perfect continuous. This is used when we talk about an action which started happening in the past and continued to happen until another action began. The pattern in making a past progressive statement is subject plus had plus been plus verb in present participle. Examples: the meeting had been starting when she arrived. The meeting is the subject plus had plus been plus the verb starting, which is in its present participle. Let's try to break this sentence down. Here's the present and the two past events. The first past event is the meeting started. The next one, she arrived. The first action, which is the meeting started, was already happening when the second action, she arrived, happened. The duration of the action is shown in red. This means that this sentence is our past perfect progressive. That's why we resulted to the sentence, the meeting had been starting when she arrived. Remember, we don't use past perfect progressive in time expressions. Examples: she had been fixing the faucet when her father came. I had been eating when the bus passed. When her father came and when the bus passed are our time expressions. If you notice, we don't use the past perfect progressive with them. We simply use past simple. For the negative sentence, we only add not after the had. So the pattern will now be subject plus had not plus been plus verb in present progressive. Examples: the meeting had been starting when she arrived. The meeting had not been starting when she arrived. She had been fixing the faucet when her father came. She had not been fixing the faucet when her father came. I had been eating when the bus passed. I had not been eating when the bus passed. For the questions, we simply follow the pattern had plus subject plus been plus verb in present progressive. Examples: the meeting had been starting when she arrived. Had the meeting been starting when she arrived? She had been fixing the faucet when her father came. Had she been fixing the faucet when her father came? I had been eating when the bus passed. Had I been eating when the bus passed? For our exercise, make sentences in present perfect progressive. The first one, Mom rest when she got a call from the company. The verb is rest. The correct positive statement is Mom had been resting when she got a call from the company. The negative statement is Mom had not been resting when she got a call from the company. And the question is, had Mom been resting when she got a call from the company? The second one, I drive home when I remembered what she said. Drive is the verb. The correct positive sentence is I had been driving home when I remembered what she said. The negative sentence is I had not been driving home when I remembered what she said. And the question is, had I been driving home when I remembered what she said? The next one. Mrs. Smith watched TV when the delivery arrived. Watch is the verb. The correct positive statement is Mrs. Smith had been watching TV when the delivery arrived. The negative statement is Mrs. Smith had not been watching TV when the delivery arrived. And the question is, had Mrs. Smith been watching TV when the delivery arrived? The fourth one. Eric studied hard. The verb is study. The correct positive statement is Eric had been studying hard. The negative statement is Eric had not been studying hard. And the question is, had Eric been studying hard? The last one. She got a haircut. Get is the verb. The correct positive statement is she had been getting a haircut. The negative statement is she had not been getting a haircut. And the question is, has she been getting a haircut? Did you get it right?